My name is Lars Phillips. I'm a lead advisor at Avier Wealth Advisors located right here in Bellevue. And today I'm going to touch briefly on one of the amazing, if not the most amazing benefit available within the Microsoft 401k plan, known as the after-tax Roth conversion. A lot of people like to refer to this as the mega backdoor Roth conversion. So if you've heard that thrown around, as a Microsoft employee, you are eligible to take advantage of this. Now, we've found this benefit, though, to be underutilized at this point by Microsoft employees because, one, it's a new benefit, and two, most people just don't know about it yet. In fact, it wasn't until 2015 that the IRS allowed this benefit within 401k plans. To this day, most companies don't even allow it within their 401k, whether it's because the company's too small or because of discrimination rules within the 401k. Luckily, Microsoft was an early adopter, so you are eligible to take advantage of this benefit. Now, Microsoft in general has a really good benefits plan, but sometimes the sheer number of benefits we've found can be tough for clients to navigate. We've been working with Microsoft employees for over a decade, helping them leverage these corporate benefits as they relate to insurance, stock grants, deferred compensation for those that are eligible, the 401k plan, specifically the brokerage link option available within the 401k. If you haven't already seen that video, we made another short video all about that. Feel free to take a peek. And then what we would really consider to be this golden egg of them all, the 401k Roth conversion benefit. Now, you probably already know that if you're under 50 years old, you can contribute $18,500 to a 401k each and every year. If you're over 50, you can contribute an extra $6,000, so $24,500. You also probably know that Microsoft will match 50% of that original $18,500. So Microsoft is going to put $9,250 into your 401k. Now, what you might not know, though, is that the federal limit for dollars going into your 401k on an annual basis is $55,000 or $61,000 if you're over 50, which means that there's a difference of $27,250 between what you and Microsoft originally contribute and then what the IRS allows. Well, Microsoft lets you take this $27,250, make an after-tax contribution to your 401k to make up this difference, and then, and this is the most important piece, on a quarterly basis, automatically convert these dollars to Roth. So let's think about this for a second. I, Lars Phillips, financial advisor, outside of my 401k, can contribute $5,500 to a Roth on an annual basis. Microsoft employees, regardless of how much money you make, can contribute almost 5 times as much to a Roth as I can by using this feature built into their 401k. So why is this important? Well, if you're saving money above and beyond your 401k, you're probably saving into a brokerage account. So think an individual account, a joint account, a tenants in common account. Well, all of the investments within these brokerage accounts are going to kick off interest, dividends, capital gains, all of which is taxable year in and year out. So there can be a fairly substantial tax drag on performance, especially when these numbers are compounded year in and year out. The Roth, on the other hand, you could have the exact same investments with the same interest, same dividends, same capital gains, and yet all of that is tax-free. You do this year in and year out, and all of a sudden you've got a really nice nest egg built up of tax-free dollars in your portfolio, which gives you so much more flexibility when it comes to distributions in retirement. You don't necessarily have to take all distributions from IRAs. You don't necessarily have to take money out of your brokerage account where hypothetically you've got some big underlying capital gains. If you plan correctly, which is something that we do with all of our clients, you can take up to the top of the 12% tax bracket from your IRA and then specific tax lots from your brokerage account, and then you can utilize this nest egg of tax-free dollars that you've built up over time. Again, at Avier, we are all about education. I've included another Microsoft video right over here. You're going to see it pop up in just a moment. If you spend just a couple of minutes watching this, it's well worth your time. And if you want to learn how to leverage this mega backdoor Roth conversion, along with all of these other Microsoft benefits available to you, please let us know. Give us a call, send us an email. All of my contact information is right below. We would love to help you leverage all of these benefits available to you. Let us know how we can help. Cheers.